to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at coordinate geometry, that's under circle, and our objective for the day is to find equation of a circle given the center and a point. Here is it. So we have a circle and we have the center to be HK and then arbitrary point to be XY. So from the center to the point gives us the radius, and we know that for us to get the equation of a circle, we need the radius and the center. So this is the standard form of equation of a circle. Okay. So this is the standard form of equation of a circle, and for us to get the equation of a circle, we need the radius and then the center, which is HK. So let's look at example. So we have example here. Find equation of a circle with center -2, 3, and a point 1 and 2. So solution. So for us to do this, we need to find the radius. So we have the center to be -2 and 3, and our points to be 1 and 2. So for us to get the radius, we can insert it into the standard form of equation for the circle. That's r squared is equal to x. Here will be the points be our x and y, and then the center will be our h and k. So for here, the s squared, we have x minus h here plus y minus k squared. So we don't know the r, so r squared is equal to x. X is 1 from the point given, minus the h, which is 2. So it will be -2 here, all squared, plus 1 minus 3, all squared. So from here, r is equal to, so negative times negative will give us positive. So 1 plus 2, all squared, plus 2 minus 3 is -1, all squared. So from here, our r squared will be equal to 3 squared plus 1 squared, which is equal to 10. Therefore, r squared is equal to 10. And for us to get r, we have to take the positive square root of both sides. Hence, r will be equal to root of 10. So this gives us our radius. And now that we have our radius and we know the center, it is easy for us to get the equation of a circle by inserting it or substituting it into the standard form. So we have r squared, and now we have our r to be root 10. So root 10 all squared is equal to x minus h, and our h is the center. That's -2 all squared plus y minus k. K is 3 from the center here. We have 3 here, all squared. So root 10 squared will give us 10. So the root sign will cancel the 2 here, giving us 10, which is equal to x plus 2, but negative times negative will give us positive 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared. So when we expand here, we are going to get 10 is equal to, the square will take the x to give us x squared plus 2 times 2 will give us 4 times x will give us 4x. And then the 2 will take the square to give us 4. So plus 4 here. Plus, let's expand this part. Y squared will give us y squared. Then 2 times -3 will give us -6 times y is -6y. Then -3 squared will give us plus 9. The expansion. We are going to rearrange the expansion that we made. So we bring the x squared first, y squared comes, then 4x minus 6y plus 13 to look like the general form of the equation. So we are going to write x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 13. So we are subtracting 10 from this side, subtracting from this side, so that this side will go to 0. So minus 10 here, all equal to 0, because 10 minus 10 will give us 0. So finally, x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y So 30 minus 10 will give us 3. So plus 3 is equal to 0. So this gives us the general equation of a circle when we are given the center, negative 2, 3, and a point 1 and 2. We have second approach, which is, we know that the circle is here. We have the center to be negative 2 and 3. And we have a point 1, 2 here. So for us to get, we still need the radius, and this is the radius is what? A line. And for a line, we need what? The distance. So to get the distance of r, which is the radius, r is equal to positive square root of change in x squared plus change in y squared. So we are looking for the distance. Since this is a line, we can use this approach to help us get the radius. So we have r is equal to root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. And here we are going to use the center and the point as the x and y coordinates. So we are going to have r is equal to the x2 will be 1 here, 1 minus negative 2 all squared plus the y2 is 2 here, then we have minus 3. So 2 minus 3 all squared, then we bring the root sign. So 1 negative times negative is positive, so 1 plus 2 will be 3, which is equal to root of 3 squared plus 2 minus 3 is negative 1, so negative 1 squared, which is going to give us root of 9 plus 1. Hence, we are going to get root 10 for the radius, which gives us the same as what we did for the other approach. Since we have our radius here, we put it into the standard form of the equation to get the general equation. So we have two ways of getting the radius. Either you put the center and the point into the standard form of the equation of a circle, or you can equally find the distance of the radius using the point and then the center. So after getting the radius from this approach, then you put it into the standard equation to get the general equation of a circle, which is in the form of this. So it's not difficult, yes, it's very easy. So this brings us to the end of this topic. So at the end of this lesson, we've been able to learn how to find equation of a circle given the center and the radius. We also learned that we can use two approaches to get the radius, either using the distance formula or using the standard form of the equation of a circle to help us get it. So I encourage you to always practice, because mathematics is easy if you continue to practice. Thank you.